I had called Abacus Plumbing out because we had some electrical issues. And so we had some exterior lighting that needed to be replaced. And unfortunately, I was not familiar with the wiring enough. So we contacted Abacus and they sent out a technician to look at it. And Steve showed up promptly. He showed up on time. He was very friendly and courteous. He even showed me kind of what the issues were and what needed to be done. He was able to give me a quote right away, was able to get everything done pretty much in a timely manner. I was really impressed with the professionalism that he had, as well as just the way that he handled everything. He really was organized. He made sure he had all his equipment with him, and I was very, very pleased with it. And the exterior lights work great. There's no issues. Everything's been hooked up and it works great. I definitely would be recommending Abacus to my friends and family for any plumbing or electrical needs or whatever they may have.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. You can count on us.